PNP confirmed Golding as the sole nominee for the presidency, solidifying his leadership for another term. Since becoming president in 2020, he has pushed renewal, reforms, and a platform of justice, inclusion, and economic progress. Nominations also closed for the vice president posts. Mikael Phillips, Hayles, Natalie Neita Garvey, and Mayor Norman Scott all secured spots. The party also thanks Senator Donna Scott Mottley for her years of distinguished service and her vital role in the last campaign. Coming up next, the PNP will host its NEC meeting in October and then the annual conference on November 30th, where Golding is expected to outline the next phase of the party's agenda. This is Michy bringing you the hottest updates in Jamaican politics. Like, share, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned.